Oh, Mariana, my baby, I love you, love you, love you so much. Yeah, let's go into this with the sex robots because that's gonna be a huge thing. If I did 2 videos about this, thanks downwards. Yeah, that's how the Christians operate. Uh, we have pig pussy, right? Then we have, what else do we have? Cow pussy. That's what we eat mostly. And I never bought a pig pussy or cow pussy in the store. So there must be a lot of pussies laying around somewhere that they can use to put this into some robots. Some sort of surgeon must be able to put this into like a pussy, like a human being, right? I mean, they could even put in like pig's heart in your body, so they must be able to do that, because this is not about survival. This is just for entertaining, fucking perversions, right? And then we have what do we have? We have well, all the other animals' pussies, but they are not really what we eat. Dog pussy, cat pussy, um, uh, what do you call it? Monkey pussy, tiger pussy, lion pussy, right? But that's not really extinct animals. You cannot go and. But the rest of the shit they don't eat, there must be a pussy somewhere, right? Why don't they sell the pussy to somebody? Maybe they do. I don't know the meat industry that well, but if they can eat the brain and the liver and the heart, but why not the pussy? So why not take the pussy and put it into robots, or take the, what do you call it? The skin, the organic material, because I think it's difficult to create a pussy from this synthetic material. I think it's pretty difficult. I never tried one, but in my world, that seems kind of almost impossible. So why not use animals to kill and make them take that and make it into the synthetical, right? Into the robot. With the hair you can cut from India or Afghanistan or what the fuck, girls who sell their hair all the time, So you have a girl that, and then you can pretty much. I don't really need a voice. Would be kind of strange. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I'm just speculating. It's speculating. The skin. Also animals, I will suppose, right? Or how could they do the skin? Do you have an idea? Do you have an idea how they can make the skin soft like a girl, like Mariana? Soft a little baby I was with. I mean, how do you do that when it's not really living? Doesn't have any blood pumping in it or anything like that, so. But I guess they can do it with animal parts as well. The robots I saw on YouTube, they were fucking beautiful, man. You were like, wow, what the fuck? So so hot in here. I start to get, what do you call it, imma. But I wouldn't make the next video about I think porn industry, more anal sex and transsexuals. What is a transsexual and where does it come from? Because I had sex with a transsexual here for a few months ago, so I want to know more about that and speculate the psychology behind it. But don't tell Mariana, don't tell her. Because I've never been with another girl, right? Let's see.